Rust trial hearing about armorer Hannah Gutierrez. Gutierrez and movie star Alec Baldwin face involuntary manslaughter charges in connection to the on-set shooting death of Helena Hutchins. Before we get you back into court, joining us live this hour is trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, thank you for being with us. Now, what comes to mind when I'm watching his testimony? I mean, this is the guy that's the overall boss. Nothing goes through him, or no one is hired on set. Nothing appears on set without his knowledge. You know, I wonder if he had not been a surviving victim in all of this, if he would have been charged as well.
I was thinking about that when he was testifying. Obviously, him being shot dispels any type of intent or negligence, not negligence, but it does dispel a big element you want when you want to charge somebody, because how are you going to charge him with making a mistake that rendered him being shot, right? So I do agree with you that that might have contributed to it, but also I think the main motivation to not charge him was he wasn't really the boss. Alec Baldwin was the boss. He was the executive producer. He called all the shots. He was writing the checks. Everybody knew they worked for him. Everybody knew he was the boss. So I think that along with Souza getting shot is the reason why he was not charged. Because in a typical situation, the director is the boss. But in this situation, it was a movie being propelled by the main actor, who basically was the owner of the movie, I mean, for lack of a better word. So I think those two things contributed in this director not being charged.
You know, I think that that's a fair point, because I was talking in broader terms of usually, but yesterday we did see the behind-the-scenes footage where Alec Baldwin fires the gun and then yells to the crew, "Let's go again." Usually, not his call. Well, let's get you back on the stand right now.